Welcome to KTU Online Study App. So today we are going to see the Module 3 topics on Laplace Transform for Semester 1, Group B and C students. Okay. So let us decode the syllabus. So what are the syllabus they have given for the Laplace Transform? See, in Laplace Transform, if you decode the syllabus, what is the thing they have given? It's what are the thing you want to study for the exam point of view. See, what is the thing they have given? Laplace transform, Laplace transform, and inverse Laplace transform, inverse Laplace transform. So this one, in this thing, you want to study the formula. If you know about the formula, this topic is very simple topic to understand. Okay, very simple topic. If you know Laplace transform, you want to study either any one of the formula very thorough. Either you want to study Laplace transform formula or its inverse formula, any one, but it should be very thorough. So here you want to study the formula. Okay, these are the basic things. If you know the foundation only, you can go inside the form. Okay, now after studying the Laplace transformation and its inverse Laplace transformation formula, what you want to do means we want to know about the linear linear properties, and there is also first shifting theorem. So these are the area you can expect for 3 months. So today we are going to see the topic on linear properties and first shifting theorem, and we are also going to know about the little bit formula. We are also going to study about the formula of Laplace transformation. We are also going to study about the little bit formula of Laplace transform and its inverse Laplace transform. So these are the area today we are going to cover. And see, from here, what are the essay mark question? Or you can also expect a 5 mark or a 6 mark question. From which area you can expect? See, from the syllabus even we can able to say. So these are the area you can expect a 5 mark or 6 mark question. That is, first one is a partial fraction. Partial fraction types of question. Second one is you can also expect a question from initial value problem. Initial value problem, that is ordinary differential equation with second order. Then third thing is you can also expect a derivatives. Then very important thing is you can also expect a convolution theorem using convolution theorem. So these are the area if you study very much, you can able to score full mark in this module. Okay, these are the area: partial fraction types of question, initial value problem, that is with the second order, derivative, convolution theorem. If you study this much area, you can able to score, that is you can able to score full mark in this module. Okay, and extra one topic is there, that is nothing but unit step function. That is also unit step function. So these are the area if you they are asking the question from the SMR question. So you want to know about the partial fraction types of question, initial value, that is ordinary differentiable with the second order, derivative, convolution theorem, unit step function. So these 6 area if you are very thorough, you can able to score very decent mark in this module. Okay, very simple. If you know the formula only, you can able to go into the topic. The formulas are very easy to recollect, very easy formula also, you can easily study also. Okay, we'll study how to decode this formula. So very simply we will be studying. So we will be studying the formula in a simple manner, so every student can able to study and recollect the formula very simple. Okay, so now everyone know about the syllabus. So what are the syllabus they have given? Syllabus is given about Laplace transformation, inverse Laplace transform, linear properties, first shifting theorem, transform of derivative. Here it is derivatives, transform of derivatives. Then solution of initial value problem by Laplace transformation. That is, here it is there, initial value problem, that is with the second order. They have given the question here, they have mentioned about the second order, so the question will be in second order. So don't need to worry about whether it will be third order or fourth order. It will be definitely in second order, because syllabus they have mentioned second order only. Next, unit step function, we have mentioned about unit step function. It will be come in what, SMR question. Next thing is shifting theorem, second shifting theorem, that we will be seeing. Delta function and its transform, initial problem, the same thing only. Convolute theorem and its application to find the inverse Laplace of product functions, the same thing only, same thing. So these are the areas. See, if you decode the syllabus, these are the syllabus: Laplace transform, inverse Laplace transform. This you want to study the formula, and these are the area you want to be very about, where 3 marks are expected. Sometimes it can be a 4 mark or a 5 mark. You can expect here also a 5 mark question. Okay, so but here you should be make sure these are the area where definitely SMR question will be coming. You want to be thorough in any four topics should be thorough. Any four topics should be thorough, you should be studying. Okay, we'll go to the syllabus. We will make the formula very simple. Okay, first formula. So what is the thing they have given? See here, if you observe the formula, one side is they have given about the question. Okay, they will be asking about the question, that is f of t they will be giving. That is f of t they will be giving here, f of t they will be giving. So you want, they will be asking you to find the Laplace transform. So when you are finding the Laplace transform, it will become f of x, it will become L of f of t. That is, we can able to say that f of x, this is the formula we will be getting. So we want to study each and every formula. If you study this much formula, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So 12 formula is there. 12 formula is very easy to study. You can able to recollect also, very simple matter. We can simply, we will be studying the 12 formula. Okay, very simple. Okay, first of all, f of t, f of t. So f of t means what? F of t means L, in Laplace form we want to know f of t. So f of t is equal to f of x. Okay, f of x, this is just for a representation. Okay, just a presentation oriented formula we are writing. So whenever f of t means whenever they are giving f of t is equal to 1. That means a single value with 1. 1 is what? 1 we know that. What are the information we know? From there we can able to learn. Okay, 1 we know. What about we know about 1? 1 is a constant value. So whenever constant is giving, whenever constant is giving, constant is giving, what is the formula? F of t is equal to 1. We are converting t into x form. So there L of 1 is equal to what? It will become x form. No? So it is 1 divided by x. Okay, 1 divided by x. Very simple only, 1 divided by x. F of t is equal to 1 means we will be getting 1 divided by x of Laplace transform. Similarly, that is the thing, formula number 1. Whenever f of t is giving, it is 1 means it is 1 by x. You should be very careful. Now, next thing, what is next formula? Next formula is e power at. When f of t is equal to e power at means what is happening? We know that what are the things are represent, that is, just consider like this way, 1 into e power of at. That is coefficient of what is this one? That is 1. So 1 into e power of at. So what is the value of 1? 1 Laplace of 1 is what? Laplace of 1 is 1 by x. So here e power of at. Whenever e power of at is giving, you just write minus a. That's the thing. Just a simple formula only. Whenever e power of at is giving, that is x minus a. Whenever giving, write x as an x minus a. In place of x, you want to write what? X minus a. This is the thing. Whenever e power at is there giving, you want to write 1 divided by x minus a. We should be very thorough. Okay. Now, third formula. Third formula is about t power n. T power n. So, T power n. T power n means what? That is f of t is equal to t power n. T power n means what? This is nothing but Laplace of t power n. So here what is there? 1 is there. No, 1 into. Just to consider there 1 is there. Laplace of 1, what we know? Laplace of 1 is 1 divided by x. We know that. So t power of n means what it will be coming? Here n plus 1 will be coming. Here also n factorial will be coming. This is the thing. This is the thing. That is n factorial divided by x n plus 1. This is the thing. That is, whenever writing, you write 1 by x, it is t power n. T power n means what? N plus 1 in x power of n plus 1. Above numerator, what you want to write? N factorial. Factorial means what? For example, I am saying 3 factorial means what? Means it is 1 into 2 into 3. This is the factorial. 7 factorial means what? 7 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7. Up to that number you want to write as a multiplication form. This is called factorial. Okay, this is factorial. This is factorial. This is the way you want to write. So n factorial means on what? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 up to n factorial. That's the thing. So this is the way you want to write the t power n factorial. So next formula is what? Sin 80. So f of t is equal to sin 80. So we know the thing, Laplace of sin 80. Laplace of sin 80 is, we know the thing. Here what will be there? 1 will be there. So you just consider, first write 1 by x. Now it is sin. So we can write sin x square plus a square into a. This is the thing. This is the formula. Similarly, each and every formulas are there. You want to learn this formula very much thorough. So these are the formula for everything you want to learn. Okay, this is for sine formula. Sine formula is what? A divided by x square plus a square. Similarly, for cos also there. Cos is what? Similarly, for cos what is there? F of t. F of t is equal to cos 80 means we can write that 1 divided by x square plus a square. So what for cos will be coming? Cos above s will be coming. For sine means a divided by x square plus a square. If it is a cos 80 means x divided by x square plus a square. This is the thing. Okay, this is the formula. Now hyperbolic, that is sin h 80. H is coming means you want to write negative sign. That's the thing. Here what you are writing? You are writing as a plus symbol. Here you are writing as a plus symbol. That is L of sin HT is coming. H80 is coming means that is nothing but what we will be writing. Same formula only, that is A divided by x square a square. Here what will be coming? Minus symbol will be coming. Similarly, for L of cos H80 is what? That is nothing but you will be writing x divided by x square. Here minus a square. This much only. This is the thing. Very simply you want to write. Very simple recollecting formula you want to write. If this h is coming here negative, not h is coming means it is positive. That's the thing. So when you are from here even you have learned the fourth formula. That is sin 80 is what? Sin 80 is a divided by x square plus a square. Similarly, cos 80 is what? X divided by x square plus a square. So when h is coming, in place of x square plus a square, you will be writing x square minus a square. So these are the basic difference you want to identify. Whenever h is coming, you want to know the denominator x square minus a square. If sin is coming, constant value you will be writing above. If cos is coming, x will be, you will be writing in the numerator. This is the difference between the formula. Okay, next formula. Next, these are the things we will be studying later. These are the formula we will be studying in the shifting theorem. So these are the basics formula you want to know. These are basics formula. So these are the basics formula. Basics. These are the basics formula. These are will be coming based on the shifting theorem. Shifting theorem properties. Okay, shifting theorem properties, based on that it will be coming. Okay, we will be learn about the shifting theorem. So don't need to think. So shifting theorem means what is the formula will be coming means, that is we know that thing. Suppose here what is the thing they have given? F of t is equal to t power nt. F of t is equal to t power n into e power at. See what I have told you, we know about L of t power n e power of at. So what we know about e power of at? What is L of e power at? L of e power at is what? 1 divided by x minus a. We know that thing. This is the thing we know the thing. Basics thing we know the thing. But what about t power n? Next thing is L of t n, second step, e power of at. That is nothing but in place of, this is the formula x minus a, this is now treating as a x value. Okay, treat this as a what? Capital X. Capital X is equal to x minus a. That means what is L of t power of n? That is nothing but we will be writing 1 divided by capital X e power of 80, e power of 80. Capital X n plus 1 into n factorial. That is capital X is what? Capital X is nothing but n factorial divided by x minus a into n plus 1. So this is the way you want to write when they are asking about t power n e power of 80. Same thing only. Simple formula only. Similarly for e power 80 of sin bt, e power of 80 of sin cos bt, HBT. That's the thing that we will be looking into the shifting theorem properties. Okay, these are the basics thing. Basics thing formula if you know, then it is very simple to study. Okay, very simple formula only. So we will be going to the topic. So now you have studied about the how to transform a ft into Laplace form, that is 1 by x form, that is f of x form. You know the thing. Now you will have a question. So learning only single formula is enough? Yes, of course it is enough. See, if you learn the single formula, that is if they are asking inverse of, if they will be asking inverse Laplace transform of 1 by x. Inverse Laplace transform of 1 by x is what? Nothing but 1. Similarly, inverse transfer Laplace of 1 divided by x minus a is what? That is nothing but e power of 80. Similarly, inverse Laplace transform of n factorial divided by x into n plus 1. That is nothing but what? T power n. Similarly, a divided by x square plus a square. Inverse they are asking me, that is nothing but what? Sin 80. That is, it's this value, if you reverse it, that is your inverse. That is the reason I told you, if you learn single formula, that is Laplace transform, just reversing that concept, it is enough. Okay, the very important thing. If you want, you just rearrange the table, just rearrange the table into this form. Okay, that's the thing. So till now you have learned about the basics information of how to learn the Laplace transform. So we will be going to the linear property. Okay, the next new topic is linear properties. So linear properties of Laplace transform. So what do you know about linear properties of Laplace transform? That is nothing but just I am saying the thing. We will be writing Laplace of a into f of t plus b into g of t, g into g of t. Laplace of a into f of t plus b into g of t. See, this thing will be go into how much? Linear transformation. See this thing, how it will be changing means it will be changing into linear properties. No, so linear properties means we will be taking, it will be converted into a into Laplace of f of t plus b into Laplace of g of t. That is, they what, see from here what you understand, we understand that constant term like a comma b are taken outside. So this is the thing, that is we know. For example, if I saying f of t is equal to 4, they have given f of t is a 4 we know the thing what, 4 is a constant, we know the thing. But Laplace transform formula, what we know, about Laplace, we know Laplace transform. We know the Laplace transform formula is what? Laplace transform formula L of 1 only we know the thing. L of 1 is what? L of 1 is nothing but 1 by x. But here 4 they have given. But 4 how we can able to write? 4 we can able to write 4 into 1. Can we write like this way? 4 into 1 we can able to write now. So I am taking 4 outside. Laplace of 1 I am taking. So it will become 4 into 1 by x. So our answer is what? Our answer will be 4 by x. This is the way they are asking about the linear property. This is the formula of linear property, which is this is the basics thing. You can also expect in your 3 mark problem. Okay, 3 mark or a 2 mark problem, you can definitely expect. If you know the linear properties, we can able to solve this sum very simple. Okay, just you are taking the constant value like a outside or b outside. That's the thing. Okay, these are called as a linear properties of Laplace transform. Okay, now we will be going to some few problems. Okay, so here what is the thing they have given? See, just first write the given. So given f of t is equal to, given f of t is equal to e power of 5t plus e power of minus t plus 9 they have given. So we know the Laplace formula. Here the Laplace formula. So what are the Laplace formula? We know the thing. What are the Laplace formula? We know the thing. Laplace formula of L of 1. L of 1 is what? 1 by x. And Laplace formula of e power of at is what? E power of at is nothing but 1 divided by x minus a. So these are the formula. We know the thing. So here why I am writing this formula means here the e power they are asked plus constant term they are asked. So these are the two formula we are going to use here. So now given they have given. So to find the Laplace, that is f of t, they have given L of f of t, L of f of t is equal to, L of f of t is equal to L of e power of 5t plus L of e power of minus t plus L of 9. So this is the way we have written. So this just a step by just a presentation you are writing. Okay. Now what we can able to do, L of e power of 5t. So here what is a? A equal to 5. According to the formula, here a is what? A equal to 5. So how it will be transferred? It will be transferred into 1 divided by x minus a. What is a? A equal to 5. So first one is complete. Sec plus. Next thing, Laplace transform of e power minus t, that is a here what? A is equal to minus 1. A is equal to minus 1. So it formula is what? 1 divided by x minus a. So a is what? A equal to minus 1 plus here what we can able to do, here I am taking 9 outside, so it will become L of 1. L of 1, because 9 we can able to write what? 9 we can able to write 9 into 1. So I am taking 9 outside according to taking 9 outside according to linear properties. I am taking 9 outside. So L of x, L of 1 is what? 1 by x. So we will be getting, what is the answer we will be getting? We will be getting 1 divided by x minus 5 plus 1 divided by x plus 1 plus 9 divided by 1 by x. What is L of 1? That is 1 by x. So 9 divided by x. This is our required answer. This is our required answer. This is our required answer. So that's the thing I told you. If you know the formula, it is very simple. Okay, that's the thing. Just the application of that formula. Okay, we will go to one more problem also. Problem number 2 we will be seeing. So in problem number 2, what is the thing? Just a basic thing you want to clarify. Okay, so what is the question they have asked? Question is given f of t is equal to, what they have given? 2t plus 3 the whole square they have given. So now what are the basic thing? You know the thing, 2t plus 3 the whole square means what? We know about this simple formula. This is nothing but what? A plus b the whole square formula. So how you will be writing? It is nothing but a square plus b square plus 2ab. That's the formula you want to solve it. So our f of t is equal to, what it will become? 2t the whole square plus 3 the whole square plus 2 into 2t into 3. So this is the thing it will be coming. So now 2t the whole square means it is nothing but 4t square plus 9 plus 2 into 2 4, 4 3s are 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 is a 12. So 12 into t. So this is the thing we are getting as a f of t. So f of t is what? 4t square plus 9 plus 12t. So whenever t is coming, what is the formula? We know about the t formula. So what is t formula? That is f of t. So what is the t formula? We know the thing. Laplace of t power n is what? That is nothing but 1 divided by x n plus 1 into n factorial into n factorial. So this is the formula, we know the thing. Okay. Now, so what is n here? So now what is n here? N equal to, here what is n? N equal to 2. So according to the formula of L of t power n, what is the formula will be coming? We will be writing, how we will be writing means f of t. Now we want to take the Laplace. So Laplace of f of t is equal to 4 I am taking outside because it is constant. So 4 I am taking outside. So L of t square plus 9 we can able to write line outside. So L of 1 plus 12 I am taking outside, it will become Laplace of t. So what will happen? What will happen? So what will happen? So it is nothing but L of f of t is equal to what is thing? 4 into 4 into 4 into t square. T square means what is of Laplace of t power n? That is we have written 1 by x power n plus 1 into n factorial into n factorial. So what is n here? N equal to, so what is n here? N equal to 2. So n equal to 2. First thing is n equal to 2. When n equal to 2, what will happen? It will become 2 factorial, 2 factorial divided by x power 2 plus 1. So this is nothing but 2 factorial divided by x cube. So we will be getting 4 into 2 factorial divided by x cube. So first thing is over. Now second thing is plus. So what is second thing? 9 into L of 1. So L of 1 is, we know the thing, that is 9 into L of 1 is what? That is nothing but 1 by x. L of 1 is what? That is nothing but 1 by x. So we are completed the second thing. Now third thing is what? 12 plus 12 plus 12 into L of t. So what is the power of t? T is 1. So what is the degree of t? Degree is 1. So n is what? N equal to 1. So here n equal to what? Here 1. T power 1 is what? That is nothing but t. No. So that's the thing. So n equal to 1. So when n equal to 1, what will happen? L of t power n is equal to n factorial divided by x power n plus 1. When n equal to 1, what will happen? N equal to 1. It is 1 factorial divided by x power 1 plus 1. So it will become 1 divided by 1 factorial divided by x. 1 plus 1 is x square. So our required answer is 4 into 2 factorial divided by x cube plus 9 divided by x plus 12 divided by x square. So what is 2 factorial? 2 factorial is nothing but 2 factorial is nothing but 1 into 2. So we will be getting 4 into 2 is what? 4. 1 into 2 into 4. So 4 into 2 is 8. So 8 divided by x cube plus 9 divided by x plus 12 divided by x square. This is our required answer. Okay, this is the required answer. So very simple thing only. If you know the basics formula, just applying. That is the thing is called about linear property. If they are asking about linear property, it's very simple only. You just want to apply the formula and taking the constant term outside of L. Okay, that's the thing. Simple thing. Outside of L value you want to take. You want to remove the constant value and you want to write the formula. We know already studied the formula also. Okay. Now problem 3 we will be going. So in problem 3, what is they have asked? Find the Laplace transform of given f t is equal to, they have asked about what? Sine cube t. So what do you know about sine cube t? Sine cube t, there is a formula is there. What is the formula of sine cube t? That is nothing but, so just consider 1 by 4 common outside. 1 by 4 common outside. Now next thing is first 3 sine theta. 3 sine theta. First 3 is coming in here and second 3 is minus sine, because of sine it is becoming minus sine 3 theta. Sine 3 theta. This is the thing. This is the formula of sine cube theta. Similarly, there is a formula of, this is sine cube theta. Similarly, cos cube theta means what is the formula? That is same thing only, 1 by 4 divided by, just same way only. Same way, that is 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta. That is, whenever cos is coming plus symbol, sine is coming minus symbol. That is the thing you want to be recollect. Okay, the rest of the things are same only. First 3 is coming in before the sign, then minus after the sign it is coming. That is sine 3 theta. That's the thing you want to recollect. So very easy to recollect. 1 by 4. First time sine is 3 is coming in front, then it is coming in the 3 theta. Okay, first time 3 into sine theta minus sine 3 theta. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, now we know the formula. So just applying the formula. So what is the thing? F of t is equal to L of Laplace. They are asking. They are asking us to prove the Laplace. So L of f of t is equal to L of f of t is equal to L of sine cube t. So L of sine cube t. So what is sine cube t? That is nothing but L of 1 by 4 into 3 sine theta minus, so he in place of theta, what is there? In place of theta, it is t is there. So it will become t. So it will become t. So sin t minus sin 3t, sin 3t. So this is the thing you are getting. So just writing in a normal form, it's nothing but L of 1 by 4 I can take an outside, so it will become 1 by 4 L of 3 sin t minus sin 3t. So this is the way we are getting. So how to rearrange it? So now you want to write according to the linear property. So when you are writing, it will become 1 by 4 common, 1 by 4 common. That is linear property means taking the constant term, taking these 3 outside, 3 outside. So that means it will become 3 into L of sin t minus what will happen? It will become L of sin 3t, L of sin 3t. So what is the formula? We know the thing. What is the formula we know? We know the formula, that is sin L of sin AT is what? L of sin AT is A into is equal to A divided by x square plus A square. It is sin 80. So if it is a cos 80 means what? X divided by x square plus A square. If it is hyperbolic, that is H symbol is coming. Sin H 80 means what? A divided by x square minus A square. Similarly, cos H 80 is what? That is x divided by x square minus A square. H symbol is coming means minus symbol. Okay, we want to be very recorrect. Okay, now when you are solving, what will happen? It is, what is A here? A equal to 1. A equal to 1. So what is A here? A equal to 3. So what is the formula? Just apply in the formula. That is 1 by 4 is common. 1 by 4 is common divided by 3 divided by what is A? A equal to 1. A equal to 1 divided by x square plus 1 square minus, so what is A here? A equal to 3. So we are getting 3 divided by x square plus 3 square, x square plus 3 square. So our required answer is 1 divided by 4, that is 3 divided by x square plus 1 minus 3 divided by x square plus 9. This much only answer. This is our required answer. This is our required answer. If you want to simplify, you can able to simplify also, but this is enough for 3 marks sum. Okay, this is our required answer. Okay, we will go to the problem number 4. So we will do one more problem on this concept of linear property. Observe the problem number 4. What is the thing they have given in the problem number 4? They had is f of t. F of t is equal to cos square 3t. What is cos square? So what is cos square theta? That is, this is nothing but what? We can represent cos square theta. What is cos square theta? Cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. This is our cos square theta. Here theta is equal to, here theta is equal to 3t. That means what we can able to write? Cos square 3t is equal to 1 plus cos 2 into 3t divided by 2. In place of theta I have substituted. In place of theta I have substitute theta is equal to 3 theta. That is in place of theta. If you observe very carefully, theta I have applied 3 theta. So that is the thing. Theta in place of theta I have applied 3 theta. So what it will become? So our f of t is equal to 1 plus cos 6t divided by 2. Cos 60 divided by 2. So from here what I can able to do, I can take 1 by 2 common outside, that is LCM. No, so I can able to write f of t is equal to, I can able to write now, so that is 1 by 2 plus cos 6 by t divided by 2. So what I can able to do, I can take 1 by 2 common outside. Taking 1 by 2 common outside. So what will happen? It will become, so it will become f of t is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 plus cos 60. And plus cos 60 it will become. Now what is the question they have asked? Taking the find the Laplace transformation. Finding the Laplace transform. So what is the thing? L of f of t is equal to 1 by 2 into L of 1 plus cos 60. This is the thing they have asked. So we know the formula of linear properties. What is linear properties? Just want to write 1 by 2 L of 1 plus 1 by 2 is common plus L of cos 60. So we know that thing. What is a cos A formula? Cos A t formula, that is nothing but x divided by x square plus a square. So what is A here? So what is A here? A equal to 6. A equal to 6. So what it our answer will become? Our answer is nothing but 1 by 2 L of 1. L of 1 is nothing but 1 by x. So 1 by x plus what is cos a equal to 6. That will become x divided by x square plus 6 square. So our answer is equal to 1 by 2 1 by x plus x divided by x square plus 36. That is the thing. This is our required answer. This is our required answer. This is the basic thing of linear properties of Laplace transformation. Definitely you can expect a 3 mark problem from this area. Okay. Now again one more 3 mark area we are going to see. Very important thing is shifting property theorem. Very important topic is shifting property theorem. Okay. This will be helpful for every sum. Okay. These 2 3 mark area will be helpful in solving the SMR question. Okay. So we will go to the new topic, that is first shifting theorem. That is what? First shifting theorem. This one I have already explained also, but now also I am explaining first shifting theorem. What do you mean by first shifting properties? That's it. So first shifting properties. So what do you know about first shifting properties? See, still now what we have learned? We have learned about the basics linear properties of Laplace transformation. Laplace transformation means they will know what they will be giving. They will be giving f of t. Taking the Laplace, taking Laplace transform on f of t. That means what it will become? L of f of t. L of f of t is equal to, it will become f of x. This is the thing we will be getting still now. See, in first shifting property means what we will be getting means, that is L of e power of at into f of t we will be getting. That is, we are multiplying with e power at. That means already we know the thing. What is e power? L of e power of at. What is L of e power at? We know the thing is 1 divided by x minus a. We know the thing. In this value, that means I already told you f of t. Now suppose example they are giving L of e power of at into t power n, they are giving t power n. That means how it will be changing means, we know about e power of at formula. What is e power of at formula? That is nothing but L of e power of at is nothing but we will be getting 1 by x minus a. Consider this x minus a as a capital X. Capital X you consider. Capital X value you consider. Now what is the Laplace transform of t power n? T power n is 1 divided by x power n plus 1 n factorial. This is nothing but when it is in a shifting property, consider this as what? This as a big capital X. That is, if it is a product of e power of at, consider this small x as what? Big X. What is now big X? Now this big X is nothing but x minus a the whole power n plus 1 into n factorial. This is the formula. This is the formula we have studied in here also. Here also I have explained. This is called as a first shifting property or a shifting properties. So this is called as a first shifting property. Here the formula is there. T power n e power of at is what? That is n factorial x minus a n plus 1. That is whenever e power of at is coming just in place of x. That is, this is the thing you should be considered. See, whenever e power of at is coming with the product of f of t, that is example e power of at into t power of n or e power of at into sin at e power bt sin at into sin cos bt. So this is the way it is coming, treating x capital X is equal to x minus a. Taking capital X is equal to x minus a, then you want to identify this cos value, that is Laplace of first a. We want to know the e power of a. First this one we know the thing x minus a. Treating x is equal to x minus a. This is the thing. You want to make it very simple. Consider x is equal to x minus a. This is the thing. Consider x is equal to x minus a. Very important formula. Okay. Very important. Consider x is equal to x minus a. That is another way you can also say, in place of writing x, write x minus a. That is x minus a means that is a will be come from the e power of at. A will be come from the e power of at. What is a? in e power of 80. That is the thing we want to identify. Okay, we'll go directly go to this sum. You will be understand better. Okay. So here if you observe, that is, see, what are the thing you want to check. First of all, check the question. What is the thing they have given? Give one e power of 3 into t3. So here if you observe, e is in the product. E is e power 3t, e power of 3t t cube. That is, e is e power of 3t is a product of t cube, is in the product form. That is e power of 3t into t cube. That is, in this case, what we want to do, we want to treat x is equal to x minus a. We want to consider x is equal to x minus a. That a is what? A is equal to a, we will be take from a, we will take from e power of 80. A value we will be take from the e power of 80. So what is the question they have given? Give one e power of 3t into t cube. This is the thing they have given. So what is our formula? That is, find the Laplace. So f of t is equal to e power of 3t into t cube. That is f of. So what is the thing we want to identify? We want to identify the Laplace. So Laplace of e power of 3t into t cube is equal to, what is a here? Here a equal to 3. That is, we know that thing. That is, we know the formula. So what is the formula? We know the thing. We know the formula. L of e power of 80 into t power n is nothing but n factorial divided by x minus a into n plus 1. This is the formula. Or by based on understanding, you can able to write. That is, in place of x, what you want to write? X minus a you want to write. That's the thing. So what will happen? Or make it very simple. What do you know the thing? Just L of e power of 80 into t power of n. Just we know what about we know about t power of n? T power of n means what? That is, t power of n is what? N factorial divided by x into n plus 1. So first t power of n is okay. T power of n is over. Next thing is, what is e power of 80? E power of 80 is nothing but x minus a. That is, e power of 80 is what? L of e power of 80 is x minus a. In place of x, you want to write x minus a. So it will become n factorial divided by x minus a n plus 1 factorial. This is the way. Either way, you just understand. That is, in place of x, if it is coming, write x minus a. That's the thing. So what will happen here? A equal to 3. And what about t cube? What is n? N equal to 3. So our answer will be 3 factorial divided by x minus 3. X minus 3 into n plus 1. That is, n plus 1 means 3. 3 plus 1. So our answer will be 3 factorial divided by x minus 3 into 4. So what is 3 factorial? 3 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 divided by x minus 3 into 4 power 4. So this one we can also write 6 divided by x minus 3 whole power 4. This is our required answer. This is our required answer. So we will go to the problem number 2. So in problem number 2, what is they have given? In problem number 2, they have given the same thing. E is in product form. E is in product with the t power 3. So that is that is Laplace of e power of minus 2t t cube is equal to, we know the formula, Laplace of e power 80 into t n is equal to, we will be writing n factorial divided by x minus a into n plus 1. So what is a here? So here a is equal to minus 2. A is equal to minus 2. So n equal to what? N equal to 3. So just apply in the formula. So what we will be getting? 3 factorial, n equal to 3. So 3 factorial divided by x minus a is what? A equal to minus 2. So minus 2 into n plus 1. N is what? 3 plus 1. So we will be getting 3 factorial divided by x minus into minus, it will become plus x plus 2 by divided by 4. This is the thing we will be getting. That is 3 factorial. That is not 31. This is 3 factorial. This is 3 factorial. 3 factorial divided by x plus 2 whole power 4. So what is our answer? Our answer is, what is 3 factorial? 3 factorial is nothing but 1 into 2 into 3. So 1 into 2 into 3 is nothing but 6 divided by x plus 2 the whole raised to 4. This is our required answer. This is our required answer. Our required answer. Okay, this is the thing. Simple method you want to land the problem. Okay, we'll go to the next problem. Very, very simple only. Okay. So problem number 3. So what we know about, see, problem number 3 here, if you observe, E is in multiple of the cos 3 theta. So we know about Laplace of cos 80. What is Laplace of cos 80? That is nothing but x divided by x square plus a square. So here it is in product of what? E power 3t. So that means you want to write what is the formula? Laplace of e power of 80 into cos 80 is what? That is nothing but x minus a divided by x minus a the whole square divided by a square. So here it is will be, here it will be, we will writing b square because changing of representation. So changing of representation, that's the thing. So here this b is denoting, this b is denoting the cos b value, that is this value it is denoting. Here it can be 1 or 2 or 3. Okay, that's the thing. If it is same means no problem. Sometimes it may be vary. That is the reason different representation I am putting as a b square. Okay. So what is they have given? F of t is equal to. So Laplace of e power of 3t cos 3t is equal to, what is they have given? So what is a? A equal to, here a equal to 3 and b is equal to 3. Both are same only. A equal to 3 and b is equal to 3. So what is our answer? Our answer is x minus a divided by x minus a the whole square plus b square. So what is our answer? Our answer will be x minus 3 divided by x minus 3 the whole square plus 3 square. So our required answer is x minus 3 divided by x minus 3 the whole square plus 9 is our Laplace transform. Is our Laplace transform. Okay. This is the way we want to identify the Laplace transform. So these are the basic 3 more questions you can expect in your exam paper. Okay. So now we will be going to the new topic. That is a new topics about the, till now we have learned about the formula of linear properties, first shifting theorem and Laplace transform basic formula. Now we will be going to the its inverse concept. Its inverse concept is what? I have already told you. What are the formula you are writing as a x form? Now you want to write in a t form. That is converting x into t form, f of t. That is f of x into f of t. This is the form you want to convert. That is called inverse. Okay, you are just inversing that term. Okay, that's the thing. So new topic, that is inverse Laplace transform. Okay, inverse Laplace transform. Very, very important. You can able to expect a question from this area. If you know the basics between difference between Laplace transform and inverse transform, it will be definitely helpful for your upcoming topic. Okay. See, studying one formula is enough for knowing about the another formula. That is, if you know about Laplace transform formula, it is well enough to know about the inverse. Okay. Example, if I want to say example, what we know about, what are the information we know? From there we can able to study. Okay, what information we know? We know L of 1 is what? L of 1 is 1 by x. That means I am taking this L to this side. That means it will become 1 is equal to L inverse of 1 by x. So what is the formula of L inverse of 1 by x? Our answer is 1. Our answer is 1. Similarly, we can also say that the L of e power of 80 is equal to what? 1 divided by x minus a. This is our formula. So if they are asking what is the inverse of, what is the inverse Laplace transform of 1 divided by x minus a. So you can able to say the thing, taking this L to this side, what it will become? It will become L inverse of x minus a. So what is our answer? Our answer is E of 80. E of 80 is equal to L inverse of 1 divided by x minus a. This is the thing. Taking the inverse, that is taking the L side into opposite direction, that is next direction if you take means you will be getting your L inverse. So knowing single formula, it is sufficient to know about the inverse. Okay, that is the thing. Studying this simple thing, few things with very thorough, you can able to manage the another formula. Okay. So now these are the basics. Okay, now we will directly go to the problem number 1. So what is problem number 1? Problem number 1 is they are asking given. What is the thing they have given? First step is writing the given 1 by x is power 4, 1 by x power 4 they have given 1 by x power 4 is a Laplace transform, is a Laplace transform. What is they are asked to find out? We want to find out the inverse of that Laplace transform. We want to find its inverse. So what is the formula? We know the thing. We know the formula. What is the formula? We know the thing. 1 divided by x power 4. That is what formula it can be coming. It can be know about the formula. That is L of t power of n is equal to what we know the thing. It is nothing but n factorial divided by x into n plus 1. This is the formula we have studied. X n plus 1. Now just to compare it. Now just to compare that thing. What is the thing they have given? L of t power n is equal to n factorial divided by x power n plus 1. So now just comparing this, and now we are comparing this and this equation. Given thing we are going to compare this and this we are going to compare. Let it be taken as equation 1 and this is equation 1 and this is equation 2 I am taking. So what will happen? So 1 divided by x power 4 is equal to n factorial divided by x power n plus 1. See, just compare here n plus 1, here 4 is there. So just taking this one, 4 is equal to n plus 1. 4 is equal to, from here 4 is equal to n plus 1. How I am taking? Just I am comparing. Just comparing the power. Comparing the power. Just comparing the power. When you are comparing the power, I am taking 4 is equal to n plus 1. So from here we can able to identify n value, no? So from here we can find n term. From here we can find the n term. So what is n term? So that is 4 is equal to n plus 1. So n is equal to 4 minus 1. That is this minus plus 1 is going here, means it will become minus 1. So it will become n equal to what we are getting? N equal to 3 we are getting. From here n equal to 3 we are getting. So what is our n? N equal to 3. Just substitute that thing. So n equal to 3 we are getting. So what is our formula? Our formula is L of t power of n is equal to what? N factorial divided by x power n plus 1. So we have identified our n value. So what is n value? That is Laplace of n factorial is 3 is equal to n equal to 3 is equal to 3 factorial divided by x power 3 plus 1. So what we will be getting? We will be getting L of t power of 3 is equal to 3 factorial. What is 3 factorial? 3 factorial is nothing but 1 into 2 into 3. So what is 1 into 2 into 3? That is nothing but 6 we will be getting. So 3 factorial is equal to 6. So here we are getting 6 divided by x power 4. 6 divided by x power 4. What is the question they have asked? They have asked about the inverse. So inverse they have asked. So inverse they have asked means taking this L to this direction, it will become inverse. So what will happen? It will become t cube is equal to L inverse of 6 divided by x power 4. 6 divided by x power 4. So now what I can able to do? I am taking the 6 outside. When I am taking the 6 outside, it will become t cube is equal to 6 into L inverse of 6 divided by x power 4. So what is the question they have given? The in question, what is they have asked? 1 divided by x power 4. Find the Laplace inverse of 1 divided by x power 4 they have asked. So I want to need the 1 divided by x power 4 I need L inverse of. So I am taking the 6 to this direction. So our answer is t cube divided by 6 is equal to L inverse of 1 divided by x power 4. This is our required answer. Just what we know, based on that we can able to identify the sum. Because so now you will be having a question how to identify, because here I am just saying a hint that will be useful for you. See, whenever 1 by x term is coming, 1 by x term means we know the thing L of 1, it is a constant term. When 1 by x power n term is coming, n plus 1 term is coming, we know about it is a t. that is x power more than x. X power is more than 1 means we will be considering as a t. Suppose if it is divided by x square plus a square means we will be deciding into what? Sine and cos. We will be deciding sine and cos. Sine and cos. If it is a here, not no problem, it is sine. If it is x, x means we will be treating what? Cos. That's the thing. These are the small information. And if it is x square minus a square means what? It is nothing but none other than hyperbolic function sine h at or cos a h at. If it is x is there, cos h at. That's the thing. Just identify the difference between each and everything. It will be very much useful for your upcoming semester also. Okay. So we will be going to the problem number 2. What is problem number 2? Very easy to identify. Okay. See here they have given x minus 7. So in which area we have heard about x minus a? That is we know about e power of at. That is we know the thing. First thing given inverse given Laplace transform is equal to 1x minus 7. So what is the formula? We know the thing, that is L of e power of at is equal to what? We know the thing, it is nothing but 1 divided by x minus a. This x minus a will become only for e power of at, no? So we are writing, so that's the reason I am writing x minus a. I have identified it is the value of L of e at. So now what is the formula? What is a here? A equal to 7. So just compare it. 1 minus x minus a is equal to 1 minus x minus 7. Just compare both. Just compare the both. So what is here? Here s is there, here also x is there. Here a is there, here also a. So we can say that thing our a is equal to what? 7. Our a is equal to what? 7, because in place of a what is there? 7 is there. If it is plus 7 means what? If it is plus 7 means a is equal to what? Minus 7. This is the thing. If it is plus 7, we will be taking as a minus 7. They here no problem. A is equal to 7. So we have identified the value of a. So when we are identifying the value of a, so we can substitute the thing, that is L of e power of 7t is equal to 1 divided by x minus 7. So e power of 7t is equal to L inverse of 1 divided by x minus 7. This is the thing they have asked. So what is the question they have asked? They have asked about L inverse of 1 divided by x minus 7. That is nothing but e power of 7t is the answer. Is our answer. This is the thing. Simple thing only you want to learn. See, in here you can expect a 3-mark problem, and upcoming classes I will be teaching how the things are changing. Okay, there are derivatives is there, convolute theorem is there, and especially partial fraction also we are going to use. From the partial fraction, definitely you can able to expect a essay mark question, that is 4 or 5 mark question you can expect, and derivative also you can expect a 4 or 5 mark. And also I have told you convolute theorem in question paper, convolute theorem will be guaranteed question, and this partial fraction, this inverse Laplace using partial fraction, that is also a confirmed question. Okay, so now we will go to the third problem. See in third problem, what is the thing they have given in third problem? Same procedure. See, understand the procedure and formula. Very simple to solve every sum. Okay, that's the thing you want to need. So what is they have given? Find the inverse Laplace transform. What we know about Laplace transform, that we want to present. So what we know the thing. So given Laplace transform, Laplace transform s divided by x square plus 16 they have given. So whenever in numerator x is coming, what should be strike in your mind? It is cos. So whenever in numerator x term is coming, you want to recollect the cos at formula. So this is nothing but cos at. So what is cos at? And here what is we know the thing? We know what are the formula? We know L of cos at is what? That is nothing but x divided by x square plus a square. This is the formula we know the thing. So what is they have given? they have given in the question x divided by x square plus 16 they have given, but we know that thing. What we know that thing? What is 4 into 4? 4 into 4 is 16. That means we can say that thing. It is nothing but 4 square. We can able to say 4 square is what? Nothing but 16. So we can rearrange this into x divided by x square plus 4 square. Can we write like this way? X divided by x square plus 4 square. That is 16 square is converted into x plus 4 square. X square plus 4 square. So now compare the both the thing. Now comparing. So comparing x is equal to x square plus a square is equal to x square plus 4 square. Just compare. Just compare. In place of a, what is there? In place of a, 4 is there. 4 is there. In place of a, if you observe, here a is there, here a is there. So in place of a, what is there? A square. For example, a square is equal to 4 square they are giving. So a is what? A is nothing but 4. So from here we can able to say our a is what? Here a is equal to 4. That is, in place of x, x is there. In place of x square is there. So in place of a square, what is there? 4 square is there. So that's the thing. So a is equal to 4 we have identified. So from here what I can say the thing, Laplace of cos at is equal to x divided by x square plus a square. So what is our a value? Our a value we have identified as a 4. So Laplace of cos 4t is equal to x divided by x square plus a 4 square. 4 square. This is the thing we have written. So what is they have asked? They have asked about the inverse. We want to take the inverse. So L of cos 4t is equal to x divided by x square plus 4 square. What is they have asked? They have asked about the inverse. That is L inverse of x divided by x square plus 4 square they have asked. So this inverse, it is going here means it will become L inverse. So it is nothing but cos 4t we are getting. So our answer is what? Answer is cos 4t. That is I am rearranging and writing. Okay, this L is when it is going to this direction, it will become L inverse. So question what is they have asked? Question they have asked about L inverse of x divided by x square plus 4 square. In question paper, you can also see this is the way also they can ask the question, or they can ask L inverse of x divided by x square plus 16. This is the way also you can able to see in your question paper. Maximum this is the way they will be giving in your question paper. Okay. So we will go to the problem number 4. So what is they have given in the problem number 4? See, problem number 4, x square minus 9. So whenever minus is coming, what should be striking in your mind? You want to have it should be strike about the hyperbolic. That is something related to sin HA or cos HAT. That is given. First step, given what is they have given Laplace transform, Laplace transform given Laplace transform 1 divided by x square minus 9. This is the thing they have given now. So now what is the next step? We know what is the formula. Whenever x square minus some value is there, what you should be in your strike in your mind, it should be hyperbolic function, that is sin HAT or cos HAT. So we can able to say the thing. Here s is not there. So here from what are the thing we can able to decode? See, just decode from our formula. What we know that thing, from there you try to decode. Okay, so what we know the thing, condition number 1. Condition number 1, what are the observation we can able to do? First thing, in question, what is the observation we can do? X square minus 9, that is nothing but is come for sin HAT, is come for HAT or cos HAT. This is the two thing it will become in first condition. Second condition, see, if x is present, in numerator, then it is cos HAT. Otherwise it is what? Otherwise it is sin HAT. This is the thing. So what are the conditions? This is the thing we know that thing. X square minus is coming, so we know that thing. Whenever minus is coming, we know that thing, whether it is a sin HAT or cos HAT. For cos, what is the condition? Numerator x should be there. But here if you observe, x is not there. So we can able to guarantee that is nothing but sin h80. So what is L of sin h80? That is nothing but a divided by x square minus a square, x square minus a square. So here you just observe the formula. Here in place of a square, here what is there? In place of a square, 9 is there. 9 how we can able to call? 9 is nothing but 3 into 3 is 9. That is nothing but 3 square. So 9 we can call as what? 3 square we can able to call. So how the formula will be, our question will be changing? Our question will be changed into 1 divided by x square minus 3 square. So what is L of sin h80? That is nothing but a divided by x square minus a square. So just compare it. Just when you are comparing, here what is there? In question what is there? In question what is there? Question there is 1 divided by x square minus 3 square. It is not. It is there. See here a is there. Here a is not there. Here a is not there. So what will happen? I will be saying. So it is not there. So what we can able to do? We can take this a to this direction. That is L of sin h80 divided by a. Reason. See, shall we take this one to this direction? It is equal only, no. That is denominator I am taking. Reason why I am taking means, reason if I take means this will convert into 1 divided by x square minus a square. Reason why I am taking, reason why we are taking means that is in question they have given 1 divided by x square minus 3 square. That is here no a term is there. Here no a term is there in numerator. A term is there in numerator. Numerator a term is not there. So what is the reason we are taking here 1 only there? For getting here 1 is there. So for getting here 1, what I am going to do? I am taking the a to the denominator of left hand side. Okay. So how it will become? It will become L of sin h80 divided by a is equal to 1 divided by x square minus a square. What is question they have given? 1 divided by x square minus a square is equal to 1 divided by x square minus 9 square. Now comparing, we can able to identify the a value. So comparing, we can find a value. So what is the thing? That is nothing but x square minus 9. That is nothing but what? That is nothing but, so this is nothing but what? 1 divided by x square minus 3 square. So here a is what? Here a is equal to 3. Here a equal to 3. So from here we have identified what is the answer? Our answer is, so that is our answer is what? Sin h3t divided by 3 is equal to 1 divided by x square minus 3 square. So here L is there. This L, if it is go to this direction, means it will become sin h3t divided by 3 is equal to L inverse of 1 divided by x square minus 3 square. This is our required answer. This is our answer. So our answer is what? Our answer is sin h3t divided by 3. This is the thing they have asked in our question. Okay. So I think you have understand that. I think you have understand. See, so here if you are having a question, similarly, just use it. If you want, you can reverse and you can check. You can also check the formula. What is the formula? You can able to check. So if you want, you can also check what is the formula. We can able to say L of sin 3 h80. L of sin 3 L of sin h3t divided by 3. What is this one? This is nothing but we will be taking what? 1 by 3 outside. So L of sin h3t. What is sin h3t? That is nothing but 1 by 3 into what is sin h83? That is nothing but we will be getting what? We will be getting, what is the formula? That is nothing but a divided by x square minus a square. So that is nothing but a is what? A is equal to 3. So 3 divided by x square minus 3 square. So if you know the thing, this 3 and this 3 will be cancelling. 1 divided by x square minus 3 square. This is the reason we are getting inverse value. This is f of x. When you are taking this one inverse, we will be getting out sine 3 h3t divided by 3. This is the reason. When you are see, hence we can able to prove that thing. When you are taking the reverse of this value, we will be getting this value. When you are taking the Laplace of this value, we will be getting 1x square minus 3 square. This is the reason. I just checked you for this is checking. This is checking. Okay, this is checking whether it is coming correct or not. It is coming correct. Okay, that's the thing. This is the thing for you to understand. Okay, basic procedure only. So if you know the basic procedure only, we can able to deal about the partial fraction and derivatives also and convolution theorem. Okay, upcoming classes and all, if you know this basics of inverse Laplace transform, then only you can able to learn. Very simple. If you know this one, very simple. Just here what you want to do. You want to study about the formula. That's the thing. Only thing you want to do. Very simple only. Okay. We'll go to the fifth problem. See, fifth problem, if you observe, very interesting problem. See, what is the thing they have given? First step is given Laplace transform, that is 3x plus 2 divided by x square plus 9. So this one we can able to split. See, this is an LCM form, not no. So for example, I am saying that the example a square plus b square divided by 3. This one can we able to split like this way: a square by 3 plus b square by 3. That is taking common LCM, it will become 3 into a square plus b. Similarly, here also LCM is there. We are going to split this one. So that is, we are going to split this one also. That is 3x plus 2 is x square plus 9. This one we can able to split like how way? We can able to split 3x divided by x square plus 9 plus 2 divided by x square plus 9. That is, we are just making our answer very simple to find out the answer. Okay, very simple method we are going to solve. So what is the thing there? We just if you take LCM also, what common LCM? X square plus 9, 3x plus 2. Same thing only repeating. No, so I am just making it very simple for us to understand, and we can able to solve very easy. Okay, that's the reason. So it will become 3x divided by x square plus 9 plus 2 divided by x square plus 9. Now you should have a very observation. See, what is the thing they have given? X square plus 9 they have given. X square plus 9. See, we know the condition. What are the condition? We know the thing. Condition, just recollect the condition of Laplace transform. X square plus a square is coming means what? In denominator. If it is x square plus a square is in denominator means we know two condition. We know two formula we know. Two formula. What are the formula? You know the thing. First formula, it may be sine 80, comma, and second one is what? Cos 80. These are the two formula we know the thing. And if in the second step, this is first one. Second step, checking in numerator whether x is present. X is present means it is cos 80, otherwise it is sine 80. This is the thing. X is there means x in numerator x, and in denominator x square plus a square means what we will be saying? It is cos 80, and a divided by x square plus a square means what we will be saying? We will be saying sine 80. That's the thing we want to know. These are the condition. Just understand the formula with each and every condition. It is very easy to solve the inverse. Just learning the simple formula. That's the thing. Okay. So we know the thing. What we know the thing? Laplace of sine 80 is nothing but a divided by x square plus a square. Similarly, Laplace of cos 80 is what? That is nothing but x divided by x square plus a square. So now just observe the question. When we are splitting, what will happen here? See, x into x square plus a. And here if you observe x square plus a, here what is there? Here constant is there. That means this one is belongs to sine 80 formula, and this one x divided by x square plus 9. Then this one is belong to cos 80 formula. No, just substituting in the formula. That's the thing. So what will happen? That is 3. I am taking the 3 outside, so it will become x divided by x square plus 9. Just treat like this way. Plus 2 I am taking outside, it will become 1 divided by x square plus 9. So what is 9? 9 we know the thing nothing but 3 square. So just replacing that thing, that is 3 into x divided by x square plus a square, x square plus 3 square plus 2 into 1 divided by x square plus 9 3 square. So we know what is the formula, we know the thing, just apply the thing, do separately. So just let me do this one part first. Here let me do this one first. So what will happen? This is nothing but Laplace of Laplace of cos at is equal to what? X divided by x square plus a square. So here just compare both the thing. Just compare both the thing. In place of a, what is there? 3 is there. So what it will become? It will become Laplace of cos 3t is equal to what it will become? 3 into x square plus 3 square. So we can say the thing is what? L cos 3t. Similarly, when we come to this direction, so what is happening here? Laplace of sin at is equal to 1 divided by x square plus 3 square. So in place of a, what is there? So what is the formula of sin at? That is nothing but a divided by x square plus a square. So if you observe, what is the thing here? Here a is not there. Here a is not there. So what I can be able to do? So from here, what I understand, a is what? Here, just compare it. Just comparing. Just compare what is a equal to 3, a equal to 3 we have identified based on here. So a is equal to 0, so sin 3at 3t is equal to 3 divided by x square plus 3 square. But if you observe the question, what is they have given here? 3 is not there, here 1 only there. So for getting 1, what I am going to do, I am taking this 3 to this direction. So because then only it will become 1 into x square plus 3 square is is equal to L by is equal to L into sin 3t divided by 3 divided by 3. That's the thing we will be getting. So I will be writing next page. Okay. So what it will become? It will become L of cos 3t is equal to x divided by x square plus 3 square. Similarly, what here it will be? Similarly, here what we are getting, L of sin 3t is equal to 3 divided by x square plus 3 square we are getting. But in question, what is there? In question, but in question, it is 2 into 1 divided by x square plus 3 square. So I am taking what? This 3 to this direction. So it will become L of sin 3t divided by 3 is equal to 1 divided by x square plus 3 square. So this is the thing we are getting. So now just substitute in the answer. What is the thing we will be getting? We will be getting here, what is there? 3 into x square plus 3 square. That means we are getting, that means what we are getting? We are getting, so that means what we are getting? We are getting 3 into x divided by x square plus 3 square plus 2 into 1 divided by x square plus 3 square. This is nothing but what? This is nothing but L of cos 3t, and this is nothing but what? L of sin 3t divided by 3. Just substituting that value, what will you getting? So taking L inverse here, so it will become cos 3t. Just substituting L inverse of that value, that is, now we can, now what we know the thing, now we know the thing, L inverse of x divided by x square plus 3 square is what? That is nothing but cos 3t, and L inverse of 1 divided by x square plus 3 square is what? That is nothing but sin 3t divided by 3. So this is the thing, that is taking L inverse, that is L inverse of sin 3t divided by 3 is equal to 1 divided by x square by 3 square. That is sin 3t divided by 3 is equal to, taking this L to this direction, it will become L inverse of 1 divided by x square plus 3 square. Similarly here also, that is L divided by cos 3t is equal to x into x square plus 3 square. So taking L to this direction, it will become cos 3t is equal to L inverse of x divided by x square plus 3 square. Just substituting the value. Here what is there? Here 3 is there. So we know the L inverse of this value only and L inverse of this value only. So just applying it, we will be getting. So we will be getting 3 into cos 3t plus 2 into sine 3t divided by 3. This is our answer. Our answer. This is our answer. Okay, this is our answer. So our answer is what? Our answer is 3 into cos 3t plus 2 into sine 3t divided by 3. This is the thing, our answer. Okay. So what we have done in this problem, we have divided according to LCM, we have split this thing and we are finding the value. So what is, whenever numerator x divided by x square plus 9 is coming, we know the thing x square divided by 9 is what, nothing but, we know the thing it is cos 80. It is nothing but cos 80, that is x square plus a square. Similarly, any term divided by, constant term divided by x square plus a square means that is nothing but what, sine 80. So just applying that value, we are able to find out. So then taking the L inverse, we are getting the required answer. Okay. So L here it is going means it will become L inverse, and I have told that thing, this 3 above numerator 3 is not there. We know the formula what? We know the formula. So we know the formula sine 380 is what? That is nothing but 3 divided by x square plus 3 square. But what is not there? 3 is not there in the numerator. So that is the reason I am taking that 3 to this direction. That's the thing. That is, we are taking the 3 to this direction. That's the thing. Okay. So we will go to the one more problem also. See, this is a very interesting concept. If you observe, very interesting. Find the Laplace transform. Laplace transform, that is given Laplace transform, 3 divided by x minus 2 the whole power 4. So we know about shifting property. What we have learned in shifting property, that's the reason I have told in a shifting theorem. Okay, shifting theorem. What is we have? By shifting theorem, what we have learned? We know that the e power of at, t power of n is what? That is nothing but 1 divided by, that is nothing but n factorial divided by x minus a into n plus 1. This is the thing we have learned in our shifting property formula. You know the thing. Just now only we have learned, n our e power at is there. You want to replace, we want to replace x minus a. X is equal to, that is just considered as a capital X is equal to x minus a. Then when you are writing, you want to write as a x minus a. That's the thing. So here also the same method only they have asked. So they have given 3 divided by x minus 4 the whole power 4 means we know that thing. Here x minus 4 means we can take what? We can consider as a e power 80. So e power 80 we can able to consider. In place of a, what is there? E power of 80 means what? E power of 80 means that is nothing but 1 divided by x minus a. So in place of a, what is there? In place of a, it is 4. In place of a, it is 4. So we know the thing e power of 40. E power of 40 we have identified. Now, so we will be taking x minus a is what? Capital X. Capital X we will be taking. So now just convert into capital formula, that is 3 into x power 4 capital X, where capital X is equal to x minus 2. So what is capital X? Capital X is equal to x minus 2, you take it. So what is, we have know the thing, what is e? We know the thing e of at is equal to x minus 2, that is x minus a. Here a is equal to 2. So here a equal to 2. So we can know the thing e power of 2t. E power of 2t. We know the thing L of e power of at into, we know that t power of n factorial. So here we have identified what? A equal to 2. So e power of 2t into t power of n. We want, now we want to identify the t power of n. What is t power of n? So that is, they have given t power of n is what? That is nothing but n factorial divided by capital X n plus 1. So here what is they have given? N 4 they have given. That is, they have given x minus 2 the whole power 4 is equal to x power capital X. That here also we can able to write like this way also, x minus 2 the whole power n plus 1. So what is n for comparing? When we are comparing 4 is equal to n plus 1, comparing the power 4 plus n. So from here n equal to what? N equal to 3. So we have identified the value of n. Simple method is reverse engineering. That's the thing you are doing. That is, so what is the thing we have identified? N is equal to 4 we have identified. So we are getting L of e power 2t into t power 3 is equal to, what is the formula? We know that thing, n factorial divided by x power n plus 1, that is n plus 1, that is nothing but 3 factorial divided by 4. So here e power t is there, so we know that thing L of e power of 2t is cube is equal to what we will be getting. Usually we will be getting 3 factorial divided by x minus 2 the whole power 4 we will be getting. So but in question what they have given in question, so what is 3 factorial? 3 factorial is nothing but 1 into 2 into 3. So L of e of 2t t cube is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 divided by x minus 2 power 4. But in question what is they have asked? In question, if you know the thing, in question what they have asked means they have asked about 3 into, in question 3 divided by x minus 2 the whole power L inverse they are asking. L inverse they are asking. Till now what we have reached? We have reached about L, this is the thing we have reached, L of e power 2t t cube is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 x minus 2 whole power 4. That is, till now we have reached L equal to e power of 2t t power of 3 is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 divided by x minus 2 the whole power 4. So now just taking this L to here, it will become L inverse. So e power of 2t t3 is equal to L inverse of 1 into 2 into 3 divided by x minus 2 the whole power 4. So in question what is they have asked? This is in question. So question, this is a question, this is question. So here 3 only there. Here 2 and 1 and 2 is not there. So I am taking this 1 and 2 to denominator. So it will become e power of 2t into t cube divided by 2 is equal to L inverse of 3 divided by x minus 2 the whole power 4. This is the thing they have asked. This is the question they have asked. L inverse of 3 divided by x minus 2 the whole power 4. This is the thing they have asked. If you know this procedure, it is very easy to solve this problem. Okay. See, and I have told you it is very simple to understand if you know the formula of Laplace transform and its inverse. Just learning one thing, it is very easy if you are reversing it. Okay, if you know the inverse Laplace transform, it is very easy. Just you want to know the simple understanding. See, in e power of 80, e power of 80, t power of 3, if they are asking t power of n means t power of n means it is very easy to identify, that is they will be giving x minus of a into some kind of n plus 1 formula they will be giving. So we know about the n factorial here, n factorial will be there. So when we are solving it, when we are solving it, this n factorial maximum will be coming into this direction, that is e power of 80 into t power of n into n factorial divided by 1 the x minus a n plus 1. Sometimes it will be like this order they can able to give. For example, we know that the Laplace of e power of 3t t power of 2 in 2. What it will be? It will be, what is the answer? It will be 1 divided by x minus 3 into 2 plus 1 into 2 factorial. This is what that is L of e power of 3t t square is equal to 1 into 2 divided by x minus 3 the whole cube. If they are asking about, this is the thing we are getting for Laplace. If they are asking for its inverse, inverse of find the L inverse of 1 divided by x minus 3 the whole cube means what we know the thing. Directly apply this thing. That's the thing. That is answer will be L, answer will be e of 3t t square divided by, here 2 is there. That 2 will be coming to here. That's the thing. This is a simple procedure you want to know. Okay. Class, we can able to see about the partial fraction of inverse. Okay, that is very important topic, which is the thing you can expect in both the section also. Okay, either section also you can able to expect. It is a guaranteed 5 mark or a 4 mark sum you can expect. Definitely there will be a question in your question paper. Okay, thank you.